Hello and welcome everyone. Hope you're having a nice day. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a short video on how to create your own signature to give credit for any type of work that you did, whether it's a drawing, picture, a book, etc. Before we get going, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. And let's go ahead and start. Alright, so we will start by opening the app, Keynote. We'll choose white. It really doesn't matter which color, black or white, because at the end, we're gonna make the background transparent. And then make sure to get rid of these boxes. Make sure to select it first and hit delete. And now we want to make the background transparent. If you go to the right, where it says background, and then hit the color fill, then no fill, and so it will show as a black background, and that's totally fine. But if you want your signature in a black font to put it like in a brighter background, make sure to do this step at the end, because you will not be able to view your text. Now we're gonna go on the top where it says text to insert our name, signature, or whatever it is. But first we want to make sure we choose a white color to make sure the text appears. And then let's go ahead and insert our text. I will put the channel name, Blended Lights. Then let's change the font, but first select your text, go to the right where it says fonts, and then choose which font you like. This one looks cool, but I will change it. Let's try this one. Yep, I like this one. Now make sure your text is still highlighted. Go to the right, to the number area, and then change it. So here I want my text to be really big, because I want it like to fill my whole screen for my picture background. So I'll go ahead and say 110. Hit enter. This one looks pretty cool. And you can also like use these little boxes to adjust it. But I think first you have to highlight it, make it bigger, smaller. Yep, that looks cool. And then let's go ahead and export and save our picture. Go on the top left where it says files, and then scroll all the way down where it says export to, and then hit images. And also we want to make sure like it's not a JPEG, so select it and then scroll down where it says PNG, hit that, and then select next. Give it a title. I'll just say my blended lights, my BL, and then export. Alright, so now we have our background, picture, drawing, whatever it is, ready to insert our signature. Now let's go ahead on the top where it says media and choose our file. And it is my blended lights. Yep, and here it's pretty big. And if you want your signature to be smaller, you can select your text and then hit these little white boxes to resize it. Now that will do it too. Oops. You can put it here on the side or corner, whatever it is. But in this case, I want it to be so big. So let's hit these white boxes. Yep. And then place it on the center. And it looks pretty cool. Now let's just save our picture. Go on the top, file. Let's do the same thing, and then export images. And here it really doesn't matter if it's a JPEG or PNG. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit next. Give it a title, Blended Lights 2, export. And if you opened your Finder, we can open our file from here. Let's see. Yep, we can find it there. Yep, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial and find it a little bit helpful. And you know, don't forget to subscribe and like and do all these fun stuff. And you know, leave a comment. And see ya in the next video. Bye bye.